Hello, I'm Yellow, and today I'm going to show you how you get your old Oculus menu back. First thing you're going to want to do is type in Lightning Launcher. You're going to hit on that one, and you're going to download it. Once downloaded, you're going to go here, find the application, open it. Then here, you're going to be stuck in here. You're going to go to Apps. You're going to hit this button, the blue cogwheel, Android. Then you're going to go to Open Apps, see all, and then you're going to hit that search bar on the top. You're going to type in SHELL, or shell, and then it's going to say Meta Horizon Shell. You're going to click on that. Storage and cache, clear storage, delete, and then boom, you got your old meta menu back. If you want the new meta menu back, you just got to restart the headset. Yes, every time you log into your headset, you have to do that process again. It's not very ideal, but it works.